I'm looking at here is putting a second bevel onto the knife to create the cutting edge. That way you'll end up with a strong blade, and the second bevel is what does the cutting. You can get a knife only so sharp by stoning, and you can never get that razor sharp edge you're looking for unless you strop the blade, which is what I'm going to demonstrate today. This is a old strop I've used for years. It's nicely loaded with a compound, but I needed another one to take with me elsewhere. So this is how you load load a strop. You've got the basic stropping compound, and you liberally rub it into the leather. Just get it right in until you get a nice even coat. Like that. What you do is you hold the blade at the same angle you put that second bevel on, and you stroke the blade firmly down on the leather, rotating slightly to keep the same angle and curve as the blade itself. You don't need to do many strokes before you start to create that polished finish on your second bevel. As you can see, it's already polishing up and it's nicely sharp already. What you're looking for is that sharp, crisp edge you could literally shave with. I hope this has been instructional, and I'll catch up with you soon.